Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and here let's find users and accounts. Let's tap on it and as you can see here we've got our Google account added. In order to remove it, simply tap on it. Here we've got the remove account button, so let's tap and click on remove account again. As you can see, it immediately disappears. In order to add new one, just tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. I've got it saved, so simply tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Simply tap on it in order to read it. Just choose the one you want to check. And here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's read it and click on accept. And as you can see, we just easily added a Google account to this device. So that's all. This is how to remove and then add a Google account to your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.